Hello and welcome to today's video, which is called Squeezing, S&P 500 Squeezing, Crypto Squeezing. I bet you are familiar with my yesterday's call, published a few hours before the strategic Bitcoin reserve announcement as to the bullish turn in Bitcoin cryptos ahead, and the same goes for my risk on turn published in Saturday's extensive video. We will be drawing upon that, revisiting what has changed, what has not, and how clients are benefiting. This will be packed about stocks, cryptos, gold, and let's dive right into this. You know pretty well what I do for clients on my site. Thank you for liking these videos and subscribing to the channel. So, this is how the situation looked early Saturday. That's when I published Sunday's video with the bullish call. And here you go. This is what you could have been, and I hope you had been benefiting on it. We can see some kind of a pullback, and it corresponds to the slight overshoot of the 92 to 93 resistance area that I had been mentioning in yesterday's video. It's all brief, everything is packed, so do yourself a favor and review it from the start to the bottom, because I cover a lot of aspects. This is the situation the preceding weekend, once we got end of February closing prices, where I had been expecting looming gold and silver downswing, and I warned the next trading day about the necessity to protect open profits, and this has happened in our premium gold and silver, which means trading signals clients, Telegram channel, and they were safely having their long gains protected. And you see what had unfolded since then. And what do you think I had been calling throughout last week? No, it had not been bullish gold, bullish silver. The correction had started, and the only question was how fast it would be proceeding and to what lengths it would get. And given the sharp turn lower in silver and in miners, the heavy volume, the table had been set quite clearly. We will revisit that in the following chart. I will be linking to Saturday's video where I had dived into the reasons why yields are retreating and what we can make on it. Examine today's pre-market situation, and you see that the short-dated treasuries, this is 1 till 3 years bond aggregate, is not going anywhere. However, as you have reviewed Saturday's extensive video, thank again for liking it and subscribing to the channel. You know that I had called for a risk on turn and bullish Monday, and all clients are benefiting ever since we got out of the way with the opening candle and ensuing consolidation, jumping in right on the pre-market corrective lows almost. That's the way it should be done, because what we are here for good risk-reward ratio. That's why active trade management and instant calls around the clock are so important. So we are seeing a budding risk on turn, and of course this is what is affecting precious metals as well. So this has been the closing chart. I had been featuring on Saturday as well the US dollar, what had been happening pre-market. Euro had been rising, and US dollar against Japanese yen had been rising, which had been another aspect what I had covered the preceding weekend in the extensive weekend video, pointing out that this is not yet the time to fear yen carry trade unwind. I had featured as well this weekly chart where I had called for now buying reprieve to strike as we go into a new week. And it's the same story as me calling right after core PCE got out of the way, well before the US market opened Friday for an up day, and we got a seriously day in green in S&P 500. I had been covering the implications of comparing Nasdaq underperformance on the following chart against this leadership of the 500 strong index. That was that great week, and when it comes to gold and silver, we are seeing them going up, and of course silver is slightly outperforming. But what do you think I had told premium clients about the nascent turn higher, about its shelf life? New week has started, a new month has started, so do yourself a favor and get full access to everything what I do. The join page will help you select what's right for you based on what and how you trade, and of course the equities upswing clients are benefiting, be it swing or intraday. My professional journey, which you know already very well, I hope so. It will give you plenty of insights into how the so-called financial industry actually works. And the obligatory disclaimer, and let's talk again. Thank you.